The Ukrainian Defense Forces utilize a fleet of approximately 5,000 Humvee military vehicles in various configurations, according to Militarnyi, citing sources within the Logistics Forces Command. Most of these vehicles were supplied as part of military assistance from the United States and other countries, primarily in unarmored versions. The vehicles are widely used across multiple branches, including the Armed Forces of Ukraine, the National Guard, and special units of the Main Directorate of Intelligence, serving both combat and logistical roles. Due to their mobility and off-road capability, Humvee vehicles are frequently adapted for heavy weaponry. The M1152 variant, a two-seater configuration, is often fitted with launchers for multiple rocket systems, air defense missile systems, and other mounted weaponry. Among the specialized modifications in service, Ukraine operates AN/TWQ-1 Avenger air defense systems, mobile anti-tank platforms equipped with TOW missile launchers, APKWS guided rocket launchers, and 155mm self-propelled howitzers based on the 2CT Hawkeye system. Given the scale of Humvee usage, Ukraine has established a repair and maintenance system to sustain operations. Field workshops within brigades handle minor repairs and component replacements, while vehicles with significant damage are sent to Logistics Forces Command repair centers. Variants of Humvee in Ukraine. The Humvee military vehicle has been in service with the Ukrainian Defense Forces for over 2 decades. Prior to the full-scale invasion, Ukraine operated several hundred units produced by AM General. Since 2022, the United States has supplied Ukraine with hundreds of additional HMMWV vehicles as part of military assistance packages, with European countries also contributing to the fleet. The first Humvee vehicles delivered to Ukraine were the M1097A2 variant, transferred by the U.S. These were basic second-generation chassis featuring an aluminum cab and a canvas-covered cargo area. The vehicles were assigned to the 95th Separate Airborne Brigade, the National Academy of Land Forces, and other military units, including those participating in KFOR missions in Kosovo. The U.S. provided Ukraine with 30 armored M1114 UAH Humvee vehicles, equipped with fragmentary armor, frag, kits, and MC tags, Marine Corps transparent armored gun shield, turrets. The M1114 UAH offers protection against 7.62mm small arms fire at a distance of 100 meters and can withstand explosive devices weighing up to 5.4 kg under the front chassis. Additionally, 100 unarmored M998 HMMWV vehicles were delivered in the same year, with some later modified at the Mykolaiv locomotive repair plant to accommodate heavy machine guns. Armored and modernized Humvee variants. The Ukrainian company Praktika introduced an armored Humvee M998 variant. The original chassis was retained, while the upper structure was replaced with an armored shell. A remotely operated turret was added, and rear access was improved with modified doors. Despite these changes, the overall vehicle weight increased only slightly to 3,575 kg. Following the full-scale invasion, thousands of additional Humvee vehicles were introduced into service, with Ukrainian engineers implementing various adaptations. In 2023, the Amulet anti-tank missile system, developed by Luch Design Bureau, was integrated onto the HMMWV platform, designed to engage stationary and moving armored targets. The U.S. also supplied Ukraine with the BGM-71 TOW missile system mounted on M1167 Humvee variants, a dedicated anti-tank platform. Medical and evacuation HMMWV variants. These vehicles are equipped with medical support systems, including oxygen delivery and emergency care facilities. Ukrainian specialists and volunteers have also undertaken modifications, such as repurposing HMMWV vehicles for medical evacuation under projects like Iron Nuts Kabul, which introduced additional armor protection. Counter-battery radar and air defense Humvee. The U.S. has also supplied AN/TPQ-36 counter-battery radar systems mounted on Humvee vehicles. These radar units are designed to detect and track artillery fire, calculate launch positions, and provide targeting data. The system operates across multiple Humvee platforms, including command and generator vehicles. Air defense modifications include the AN/TWQ-1 Avenger system, which integrates FIM-92 Stinger missile launchers and a Browning M2 machine gun onto the Humvee chassis. The system is equipped with an infrared tracking module and can be operated remotely. Additionally, Ukrainian forces have employed the dual-mount Stinger (DMS) system, a twin launcher setup mounted on Humvee platforms. Multiple Launch Rocket System (MLRS) Humvee variants. Humvee vehicles have also been adapted for multiple launch rocket systems. Ukrainian engineering and volunteers have integrated 122mm rocket launchers onto the platform, with armored M1152A1 units modified for this role. Other adaptations include the installation of Sivalka VM5 and VM8 multiple rocket systems, which repurpose unguided aerial rockets for ground-based deployment. Mine-clearing Humvee variants. Mine-clearing modifications have been introduced as well. Before 2022, Ukrainian forces installed spark mine rollers from Pearson Engineering onto Humvee vehicles for clearing explosive obstacles. In 2023, Ukrainian engineers developed a mine roller system designed for armored Humvee vehicles, featuring 6 rubber-coated rollers, each weighing approximately 80 kilograms. The system is designed to withstand and continue operation after detonating a tank mine.